Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 11s. Please note there's another version out there with 5G, so this is a bit different. So it's similar, but it's different. I will link it in the description below. Okay, so first of all, we will need next to our phone the SIM ejection tool. And this is part of the box. So there's another white box in it here. And if you open it like this, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Just flap the wings like this and you're having it. Otherwise, by the way, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, on this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a microSD card. Okay, so let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it here in the middle. So with missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and as I said, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. You can put it here in front. So this is the space for a second one. So also here with missing corner on missing corner. And as you can imagine, the contacts are below as well. Okay. And also if you want, you can extend the internal storage with a microSD card. For that, just take the SD card and put it in the last position. Be carefully that nothing jumps out. And this is how it should look like then. And yeah, of course you can use also the microSD card with just one SIM card if you want. And the contacts are below. Okay, then take your construction and put it back into the phone. Shake a bit, but take care that nothing jumps out and close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in, I will make also some tips and tricks videos here for the phone. And yeah, you can also subscribe me if you don't want to miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.